In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple signatures to documents in Docusign. Whether you're working with contracts, agreements, or any other important paperwork that requires input from more than one person, adding multiple signatures can be a seamless process with Docusign. Let's walk through this step by step. First, head over to docusign.com. If you already have an account, click on the Login button, enter your credentials, and access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the prompts for setting up a new account, and you'll be all set in no time. Once you're logged in and on the home page, look for an option that says Sign or Get Signatures. This is where you'll start the process of sending out a document. Click on this option to proceed. Now it's time to enter the recipient details. You'll need the names and email addresses of all the people who are going to sign the document. It's important to double-check the information here to ensure there are no mistakes, which could delay the signing process. Make sure you have all the relevant information handy before moving on. With the recipient details added, click on Upload to bring the document you want to have signed onto Docusign. Choose the file from your device that requires signatures and upload it to the platform. Once your document is uploaded, hit Next to proceed to the field setup phase. The field setup allows you to drag and drop signature fields onto the document. This is a very intuitive step. Simply place each signature field where you want the signees to provide their signatures. You'll want to be precise about this placement to ensure each recipient knows exactly where they're supposed to sign. After placing the signature fields, be sure to assign each one to the appropriate signer. Matching fields to the correct individual is crucial for a smooth signing process. Docusign makes this easy by allowing you to select which person each field pertains to, so be sure to double-check your assignments before moving on. Once everything is set up, take a moment to review the entire document for accuracy. Confirm that all signature fields are correctly placed and assigned, and that the document looks as it should. This final check can help avoid any issues down the road. Finally, click Send to distribute the document for signatures. Docusign will send it out based on the recipient details you've provided, and you'll be able to track their progress as they add their signatures. And there you have it. This streamlined process allows you to efficiently collect signatures from multiple people. With Docusign, you can forget the hassle of printing and sending physical documents, and instead enjoy the convenience of digital signing. Thanks for watching, and happy document signing.